Good morning. If you're just joining us, here are the 8 things that you need to know today. President Barack Obama making a major move for workers on this Labor Day. He's expanding sick leave for thousands of people. The president will sign an executive order today requiring paid sick leave for employees of federal contractors. That will benefit about 300,000 workers. The Maine Hire a Vet campaign kicks off today in Augusta. The goal is to commit at least 100 employers to recruit veterans and ultimately hire at least 100 vets. The campaign will provide support for employers. More information, you can check them out on Facebook or Twitter, #HireAVet. The Kentucky County Clerk sent to jail for refusing to issue marriage licenses to same-sex couples is appealing. Kim Davis objects for religious reasons. She was sent to jail for disobeying a court order last Thursday. Experts are now advising mothers and close contacts like siblings to get vaccinated against whooping cough. New data suggests infants are more likely to catch the cough from siblings than from moms. That's likely due to an increase in cases among school-aged children.
Continuing the 8 things you need to know today, the Pentagon says the Iraqi Air Force is using U.S. fighter planes to go after the Islamic State. The F-16 fighter planes were purchased from the United States. Pentagon spokesman Peter Cook commended Iraq for adopting the planes, which were first delivered there in July. More, though, are expected to come. A warning for ATM users. Police in Goffstown, New Hampshire found a skimming device on a Bank of America ATM. Once your card is read by the device, hackers can get your personal information. If you think you were a victim, you are encouraged to get a new card. And Senator Bernie Sanders has reason to celebrate. He's pulling ahead of Hillary Clinton right now in recent polls. The Democratic candidate is one of several presidential hopefuls in the Granite State today. Sanders will be joined by GOP hopefuls Carly Fiorina, Lindsey Graham, and John Kasich at the annual Milford Labor Day parade. And Pope Francis is calling on the faithful to take in refugees who are fleeing death from war or hunger. 2 of the Vatican's parishioners are already taking in refugee families. The European Bishops' Conference is promising quick action.